My name is Leona, and I'm a patient of Dr. David Cantu in Puebla, Mexico. I started seeing Dr. Cantu about a year and a half ago. I was having pain in Bunion on my left foot, and what I love about his approach is he's conservative. He said that I might need surgery, but he wanted me to try first a silicone product that I put between my toes, and that really alleviated the pressure from the bunion. And within 2 weeks, I had absolutely no pain. More recently, I had cramps in my lower legs, and he just recommended magnesium after a diagnosis in his office. And within a week, I no longer had any cramps. So I highly recommend him because of his approach. He's also very well equipped. So he's able to do ultrasounds in his office. He speaks English very clearly, so communication between us was very easy. And he's really good at reassuring and explaining to you why you're having the symptoms you're having and why he's proposing the treatment that he's suggesting. So I highly recommend Dr. Cantu. He's really been a blessing for me.